an IV, and it's called NAD.
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 NAD has become known as the miracle molecule.
Imagine living free from the chains of chronic fatigue, depression, anxiety, or even substance abuse. I'm Juliana Frazier with the Sanctuary MD Wellness Center, and for years, I personally battled physically, emotionally, and spiritually all of these symptoms. We're here to show you that transformation is possible. We've guided countless individuals towards reclaiming their lives, renewing their energy, and bolstering their immune systems. What's our secret? Groundbreaking NAD+ therapies. If you've never heard of it, you ought to. NAD, also known as nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It's a coenzyme found in all living cells that plays a vital role in energy metabolism. Your body's NAD levels deplete with stress and aging, and without it, life would cease to exist. It's responsible for over 400 functions throughout your body. Listen, this scientifically backed treatment replenishes your NAD levels, enhancing cellular energy production, DNA repair, plus just overall wellness. What makes our treatment different is our targeted protocols that are customized for your needs. Also, our NAD is guaranteed to be the purest form compounded in the United States. Take Lindsay, for example. Once debilitated by chronic fatigue, pain, and severe anxiety, she now enjoys renewed energy and emotional well-being thanks to our cutting-edge NAD+ protocols.
Well, you look good. That's
Yeah,
all
you
I
do.
know. You look from
I mean,
yesterday.
you are literally exuding, like, I feel it. Like, when you walked in today, I'm
Y'all have
telling
no
you.
idea how much better I feel.
I'm so glad.
Our megadoses of NAD will change your life. If you're watching this video, it means that you're ready for a change. This body you have is the only automobile that matters. You understand investing in yourself is crucial. Investing in treatment that works is even more crucial. Our NAD brain restoration therapies could be the solution you've been searching for, restoring balance in your life, mind, and body. Our process is simple, yet comprehensive. We develop a personalized treatment plan based on your unique needs, creating you the best protocols medically. And then together, we collaborate on obtainable and measurable goals to get the results, possibly, you've only dreamt of in the past. Then, we provide you with ongoing support to help hold you accountable. By choosing the Sanctuary MD Wellness Center, you're choosing your safest and highest good. We stand by the effectiveness of our NAD+ therapies and guarantee you will feel renewed in your life, surmounting the physical and mental challenges that have been holding you back. Are you ready to embrace a revitalized you? Don't let fear, fatigue, or mental health struggles define you. Schedule a complimentary consult with us today and unlock your fullest potential at the Sanctuary MD Wellness Center.